Good morning from Perth, Western Australia. Unfortunately, the weather has changed. It's a little bit rainy and definitely a little bit cold. I don't know how much is it, maybe like a 16 degree and rain, something like that. Definitely weather for the jacket. But weather has changed. That's the one thing. Another sad thing is that as today is my last day in Perth, I'm flying out at 6 p.m. So I just wanted to make a quick video for you, and then there will be the travel vlog. Going to find some shelter where the umbrellas here in the Elizabeth Key. Don't want to get my cameras, get water problems, especially microphones. Camera itself should be fine. Anyways, I was in Apple Store. I met some viewers, just recognized me. I was so surprised. And also I sent my postcards to my family in Poland, just in case if you're interested how much is sending postcard to Europe. It's $5 each, $3.70 to Europe for the stamp, and postcard is about $1 or $1.30, something like that. Well, that's how it is. Whew, it's very quiet right here, but the weather is really not so good. I think I will have a shelter here. There are some umbrellas. I hope so. It's not gonna be very heavy rain anyways. Sitting here will do. There are some tables where you can enjoy some snack or some drink, and the umbrellas overlooking still water and Elizabeth Key. So I wanted to share a few of my personal opinions about the Perth Australia, especially a lot of people texted me personally in the comment section when I came to Australia. I was really surprised as so many comments and the messages are very positive. Of course, I'm also have a lot of positive thoughts about the Australia. I also met some viewers here in Perth, as many as possible of you guys. Some of you used to work during the weekdays, and now it's the weekend. Unfortunately, I'm flying out today, so I'm so sorry if I didn't have opportunity to meet all of you guys. But for everyone who I met, thank you so much for having your time, and well, thank you for having me here in Australia. The construction actually right now when I'm trying to talk. Anyways, I spent here 8 days. This is my 8th day actually right now, and I just simply enjoy it. If you're watching me for a longer while, you know, as I was really happy, and many actually of you also noticed that in the comment section, I do really enjoyed my time in Australia, and everything what I experienced, what I seen, I like it. I just simply like it and enjoy. There's not many things what I didn't like it. Maybe because I'm just 8 days. Maybe I should stay here for more time, few months. Maybe I will find some negative sides of Australia, of Perth. But so far I enjoyed everything. Also at the same time, I would like to announce as I'm planning to go to Melbourne in probably next month. This is not confirmed yet. I'm planning because yeah, I want to explore more of Australia and learn about the culture and everything. So if you are coming from Melbourne and you are in next month in Melbourne, you are not in Bali, because maybe you may be in Bali on holidays next month at the beginning of June, let me know. I will try to meet as many of you guys as possible. Of course, if you would like to meet me, because I don't know, I'm just asking. And also if maybe some of you have a spare code somewhere in the living room where I could crash for a few nights, I would really appreciate, or maybe some recommendation for some affordable hotels or Airbnbs also will do. I would really appreciate. So special thanks to my mate Nick and his lovely wife Moo for sharing their spare bedroom for me during my stay. I really do appreciate that, guys. Regarding the people here, people are really nice in Australia. I don't know why somebody said they may be different. Everybody are so nice, friendly, and the hospitality, especially in Western Australia, as I visited Western Australia right now, it's really top notch, and I'm really happy with everything what I experienced here. Also, many of you texted me privately and on the comment section as well, if me, Damian, me obviously, together with Winnie, if we would like to live one day in Australia, either in Perth or in other parts of Australia. Definitely yes. At the same time, I would like to ask you for the little favor. Maybe you have a little bit more information where I could get potentially a job in Australia, or maybe some of you who is Australian obviously have a business and looking for somebody honest and reliable to work. As you know, I'm not afraid of working hard, because obviously I'm making videos for 3 years every single day since the last three years, 1,000 days, and I had maybe 2 days off. So I'm making videos every single day. see my eyes a little bit dark. That's not because of I'm drinking or something. This is because of just tiredness. So I would really like to work in Australia or study perhaps and make some additional skills to develop myself. And of course Winnie for sure will join me. I can take everything at the beginning, even working in McDonald's and flipping a burgers or working as the tradies or whatever, really whatever. So if you really have something perhaps and would you like to help a little bit, I would really appreciate. Also just the knowledge will do. I'm really not afraid to go to study and develop some skills, and Winnie also the same. Winnie definitely will go with education. I also heard there are some shortages, so for her will be good. And yeah, after that weather is great. It was great during the past days. Now it's a little bit cold, but to be honest, I'm really even enjoying sitting right here right now and making this video. Even my hand a little bit shaky because of cold, rather than sitting in the very heat and sweat, the humidity. And also even just recently somebody texted me on Instagram. If you follow me yet, you could consider that the Monkeys YouTube. Just type on the Instagram. I make an Insta story as it's raining. I'm traveling in train to making video. Of course, I'm not afraid of the weather conditions. That's very small things for me. Either in Bali it's very hot and I'm making videos and walking, or either it's cold. Even it will be snow here, I will still do it. Probably I will just wear the gloves if that will be in Europe and there will be snow. So that's totally no issue. Anyways, it's nearly 12 o'clock. My flight is at 6. I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show you a little bit of the airport. And yeah, and probably I'm gonna end up on my destination of arrival. All right, just arrived to the locals in the Butler. I'm gonna have a coffee because it's freezing. It's like literally, I check, it's 12 degrees. Can you imagine that? So my bro Mick gonna show you the place around. Okay, enjoy, bro. Show to the people, just talk.
Libby, you wanna be on YouTube?
Please don't.
Why?
Mick, I have students.
I'm not asking you to do anything untoward.
No, it's embarrassing.
You're just making coffee.
I know, it shouldn't have done.
This is what Libby used to do before she was a proper teacher. Go talk to the chefs.
Release that, guys.
This is the best boss in the world.
Bye.
Say hi to YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
Greatest boss in the world. Greatest chef in the world. Sorry, I've just seen the greatest chef in the world.
Whoa.
Greatest chef in the world.
No, he's back there.
Oh, where's? Oh, Yulis. That's
Yeah.
the sexiest chef in the world. Yuli, say hello to YouTube, mate. This is the local. It's not real. It's actually packed though. Believe it or not, they're renovating it down here, so this will be like the sports bar, but like heaps bigger. How are you, lads? Looking good, man. Is that the pool table? Oh, there's not going to be a pool table in here. Ah, okay. No, I think it was going to be up here or some shit. That's kind of weird. And here goes. Here's your host. Oh, that's my wife. She doesn't like being on YouTube. I'll show you quickly. Damo's got his, I don't know, what is it? Cappuccino?
Cappuccino extra shot.
Well, that's it. That's the local. Damien, thanks for coming to Perth, buddy.
Thanks so much for having me here, bro.
No worries, mate. We'll see you next time, mate.
All right, this is it. This is the international airport here in Perth. It's windy and cold. And okay, bro. Thank you so much. Oh, be
Good luck,
nice.
bro. Good flight. Have a good flight, man.
Thank you so much. Thank you for Australia for having me. But it's time to go home. This is the view of the Perth Airport, international departures, Terminal 1 and Terminal 2. Some shops like a pharmacy, of course, that's the Singapore Airlines self-service. Also, one very cool thing about this airport is that as they have a scale, so you can just for free check how heavy your bag is. Some flights, mostly to Kuala Lumpur, then Pasal Bali, Singapore, and one Doha, Dubai. Yeah, that's the view of the airport in general. Not so big, but very much organized, I have to say. And of course some Australian way, some souvenir shop. You can get this hat, some little kangaroo or stuff like this one. Pretty cool. They also have this fancy ATM machines where you can withdraw Australian dollars, pound sterling, euro, USD, New Zealand and yens. That's actually cool. And of course you have some bar, restaurant where you can have a coffee, beer or some food. Hungry Jacks, which is actually Burger King, but in Australia they call it Hungry Jacks for some reason. This is it. I'm on the other side. There's some bar, also plenty of space. But one thing, I'm very surprised and impressed at the same time. Actually, I'm not surprised, but I'm impressed how everything is clean, how everything is smooth, how everything is just simply too easy, clean, organized. Just big thumb up for that. Really impressed. Also, I'm gonna show you a little bit how you can enjoy the view of the airplanes from the airport. Like for example this one. Everything is here, nice, clean, plenty of room, not so many people anywhere, even in the waiting zones and everything. There's some bar, there's some market, there's some Ray-Bans, watches, stuff like this one. Charging ports, of course, you can charge your phone. Everything is just simply very organized and very smooth. Of course, huge duty free. You can buy also perfumes and other cosmetics, so everything it's cool how it's supposed to be. Singapore Airlines crew. So that's the traffic is very moderate. WHS Smith is here, of course, and this is the Harmark bar. Yo, what's up? How you doing? How are ya? And I'm really surprised because somebody recognized me on the way to Bali. So thank you for saying hi. Very cool. Always, every single day actually I met somebody, quite a lot of people in general. Thank you for great hospitality, for meeting me, for your time, and thank you Australia for having me here. Okay, lunchtime. This is pretty nice looking bar. I remember when I was in Perth last time I was sitting here having coffee. I think I will also have some lunch or late lunch, early dinner here. And that's my pizza for $24 in the airport and some cider. Very good. I already take a bite, couldn't resist. Very good. And yeah, that's overall vibe in the airport here in Perth. Boarding time. Today first and on my very favorite seat, which is 14A in AirAsia. 14A because so much space and it's emergency exits. I just really love the seat. Landed in Bali, AirAsia, and there is the Qantas going by bus, overloaded. So cool thing about the flying in Bali is that there is you can see the planes stay on the middle of the airport, like the Qantas there. Virgin just landed. And yeah, you have to drive a bus like this one. Another Qantas here. And then we have a huge Garuda Indonesia actually for some reason. And then we have Emirates come back already to Bali. Here we go, Emirates and Virgin Australia. And then welcome to Bali. Pretty busy actually. This is all for visa on arrival. Remember, if you have no permits or anything, you have to apply for visa on arrival. And of course it costs you $30 or something. American 500k, 50 Australian, 50 Canadian, 50 Singaporean, and so on. So pretty long queue actually for the visa. For me, I'm going into Indonesian line, so just 10 people maybe. But if you are just arriving, keep it in mind. Looks like a 1 hour waiting time. Alright, so for me it was like 3-5 minutes to clear immigration obviously. But visa on arrival, quite a lot of people guys, and the immigration line also for tourists quite a lot. Seems like Bali is pretty busy recently. Okay, waiting for the bar. Well, definitely the busiest Bali since I remember after pandemic times. Before pandemic times I still remember busier than that, but after pandemic times definitely this is the busiest crowd I see. Belt area looks very busy. Oh, whoa, that's the quiet. A lot of the crew from Qatar, didn't see them since few years. And yeah, the belt number 5 now changed to belt number 1. I was waiting like 3 minutes in immigration, but I'm waiting half hour to get my bag. So that's how does it work sometimes. I'm telling ya guys, seems like Bali is kinda busy recently. Here we go, check this out. And of course regular stuff, SIM cards, and this is the arrival hall. Now they have a bottle shop for some reason here, but you can buy also duty free. People cannot wait here. I'm gonna show you how much is the SIM card in the airport. I think many of you asking me That's the recent prices, pretty pricey I could say, but that's how does it look like. And transfers and stuff like this. Let's grab, quick grab, blah blah, stuff like this one. The shop, WH Smith, and should be Starbucks somewhere here also in case if you are looking to buy. Oh, that's something different. The brand new company, never saw them before, have no idea. Another money changers, a lot of at the front. Another SIM cards here. These ones are slightly cheaper, and Starbucks, of course, legendary Starbucks, everything must do be. And then they are the drivers, hotel pickups, all of the stuff is here, but they have to be weighed very far, totally different. They cannot wait very straightforward like long time ago. And I'm gonna go, as always, up because I'm gonna pick up the Bluebird from the departure, which is on the 3rd floor. So if you're gonna go just straight there, this gate is closed, but there are so many drivers actually. The numbers of drivers waiting right now is horrendous, unbelievable. Check this out. All of them with the papers, but all of them so quiet, waiting for you. The Padma guy from Legian, all the hotels, proper groups. Yo, what's up? Quite a lot. Hayat, Alila, Clubmed, so many people. Whoa, maybe it's your name on this paper actually, I don't even know. So many. But I don't know if you realize, so quiet. Nobody can shout at you, nobody can offer you anything here. Just simply they cannot say anything. Now it's changed the TUI also, and some security. Overall, you're gonna cross this gate behind it, and then all the drivers, all of the taxi, everything will be there. So I just wanted to show you. Here you go. This guy have a paper on his head. Look at him. Valeria. So funny. Okay, but I'm going up by the lift. So this is my trick how to take transport for good value. Then you arrive to the 12th floor. I don't know if Winnie is there. All right, so that's how it is. Travel vlog.
Let's go.
Let's go. All right, so this is the drop-off or departure. We came here because we are waiting for the Bluebird. We ordered Bluebird and show us around 100k to go to our destination, while the Grab showing 199, 200k. I don't know what's going on, but the Grab currently is more expensive than the Bluebird, so that's the trick how to get a cheaper transportation. Anyway, I'm back. Winnie is with me. Tomorrow we're gonna make a video together. I hope so you enjoy my series from
Bali is
Australia.
hot and humidity is
Yeah,
just like this. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye. It's already late. Bye.
See ya, take care. And we got the Bluebird electric today. Hello, sir. Nice. Are you happy? First time, yeah?
The thing is that I can order it online and the price is actually very affordable.
Okay, let's go.